Shrimp stir-fried with broccoli. Simple recipe with amazing flavor. Chop the broccoli into small florets with scissors. Half a head is enough for this dish. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and an appropriate amount of water. Soak it for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly and set aside. These are shrimp that were frozen for 1 hour in advance. Frozen shrimp are so easy to peel. Simply pull off the heads. You can remove the shrimp veins along with them. Then peel off the entire shell by tugging the tails, just like in the video. Finally, snip open the backs of the shrimp with scissors. This helps them absorb more flavor when stir-frying. Once all the shrimp are prepped, rinse them with water, then pat them dry with kitchen paper. Don't leave any moisture on them, otherwise oil will splatter when you put them in the pan. Set aside. Make the sauce. Mix light soy sauce, salt, chicken powder, cornstarch, and about 60 milliliters of water. Stir well and set aside for later use. Add salt and cooking oil to boiling water. Blanch the broccoli for 2 minutes, then remove and set aside. Stir-fry chopped green onion, ginger and garlic until fragrant. Add the prepared shrimp. Stir-fry until they turn pink and curl at the edges. Toss in the blanched broccoli and the pre-mixed sauce. Stir-fry quickly over high heat until all ingredients are well coated and the sauce thickens slightly. Serve immediately. Give it a try.